Discover the secret code that unlocks huge pets in Pet Simulator X, giving you the ultimate edge. Hey Roblox fans, ever wanted to rock those massive pets and leave your friends speechless? Today, we're revealing a secret code in Pet Simulator X that does just that. But hurry, this code's a limited time deal.
Alright, let's jump into it. Head over to the shop in Pet Simulator X, hit that redeem code button, and type in Huge Secret 123. Bam! Watch your pet collection grow instantly, it's that easy.
Wondering why these huge pets are a big deal? They pack serious power, helping you climb the leaderboards and crush competitions. Plus, who doesn't love showing off a giant cuddly pet?
Check this out. Watch these huge pets in action, effortlessly collecting coins and stomping through challenges. Their special abilities are game changers, transforming your gaming experience right before your eyes.
Listen to these players who've already snagged their huge pets. Their excitement is through the roof, and you don't want to miss out on this exclusive opportunity. Grab it while you can. Remember, this code won't last forever. Try it out now and let us know in the comments if it worked for you. And hey, don't forget to subscribe for more Roblox secrets every day. Keep gaming.